Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel and to my new viewers. My name is Annie Krieger. Thank you so much for joining us, and thank you so much to my return subscribers for always tuning in. So guys, look at this super moist delicious apple walnut cake for tea or coffee or whatsoever. All the ingredients will be found in the description box. Please stay tuned guys, it's time to bake. A quick view of what we'll be needing guys. But first let me tell you, I am not a profi baker, but if I bake one, I tell you it's sure good. This recipe is from my cookbook years back that I often bake for my family. I tell you it's super moisture and tasty. First, I am going to go ahead and separate my egg yolk from the egg whites. Now that I have my 5th egg white in here without any drop of egg yolk, if not, I will not achieve my whipped cream. I am going to introduce my granulated sugar and beat until it looks stiff just like this. I added some drop of lemon juice just to make it stay stiff. After this is done, I am going to quickly do a check by turning this bowl upside down. If nothing happens, it shows I've got a perfect egg whipped cream. Refrigerate while I get other things prepped. On my fresh bowl, I am going to introduce my room temperature butter and then my powdered sugar. Next is any flavor of your choice. I just introduce some vanilla sugar and some lemon zest. I'm then going to beat on a high speed for some minutes to achieve a nice buttercream first. Then I am going to use my spatula to scrape around my bowl and then continue to beat. Now that I'm satisfied with my buttercream texture, I am going to introduce my egg yolk and also continue to beat on a high speed. In my sieved flour, I am going to introduce my baking powder, salt to taste, and chopped walnut. If you go for lesser quantity of chopped walnut and peeled apple, it's not going to affect the texture of your cake, but please don't go for more. Mix all these ingredients with the flour together and set aside. My buttercream is ready. White egg is ready and flour apple walnut mixture is ready. It's time to bring all this together. First, introduce a portion of your white egg in your buttercream and then a portion of your flour mixture in your buttercream. Use a spatula to scrape around your bowl to make sure it's well combined. Do the same step until you combine all the ingredients together. On my baking pan, I have used a paper foil on the bottom and then grease with some butter and flour around it. Introduce my mixture and use a spatula to combine all this well, and then add in my rest peeled apple and walnut. Process is not a must, guys. You can as well mix all your ingredients together at first and you are good to bake, but I love this mousse, so I am going to do it this way. Use a spoon to tap it down and bake for about 45 to 50 minutes on an 180 degrees C. I am going to melt small amount of butter in here and then add in my powdered sugar and some lemon juice, like this lemon juice, and then some vanilla extract. The lemon juice made everything so fresh, which is the glass. I'm going to give a test by inserting some fork in the middle of my cake. If it comes out dry, then you are ready to serve your cake. My glass is ready, my lemon sugar glass is ready. Pour on top and enjoy your cake. Like this cake was so moistured and full of chunky of apple in here. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for more video to keep coming. Hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video, and also do not forget to leave your comment to notify that you are watching my video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye for now. After some minutes, I could not wait to enjoy this cake, guys. I didn't wait. Look at it, 2 minutes is almost gone. So bye.